Welcome back to this channel. Question is, write a program to accept a number and check whether the number is prime or not. Use the function name as check int n. The function results the function returns 1 if the number is prime. Otherwise it returns 0. This is given in your book APC. Okay. So can you do this one? You try to do this one. Then see this video. Okay. So this is the program. This is the program. This is your function name is given check int n. So you have to write the function name check int n. It returns integer value 0 or 1, that is integer value. It returns integer value, so return type is int. So write public int check, then again int n. Int n, this is the receiving value, n is the receiving value, and here this is your return type. Int return type because it will return 0 or 1, that is integer, and it will receive an integer value. Okay, this is the program for prime number. This is if k equal to 2, this is for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, if n modulus I equal to 0, k plus plus. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पे क्या करेगा वो एन को आई से डिवाइड करेगा, अगर डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो एक फैक्टर हो गया, और के प्लस प्लस मीन्स के काउंटर है, और उसे ये क्या करेगा, काउंट करेगा कितना फैक्टर है. दिस इज ए काउंटर टू काउंट नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स. अब नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स 2 है तो वो प्राइम है, तो यहाँ पे प्राइम नहीं लिखोगे, क्या करोगे, रिटर्न 1 करोगे. अगर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया है अगर प्राइम है तो रिटर्न 1 करना है, अगर प्राइम नहीं है 0 करना है. तो के का वैल्यू अगर 2 होता है, वो प्राइम होता है तो रिटर्न 1, एल्स रिटर्न 0. इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर प्राइम है तो रिटर्न हो गया 1, एल्स रिटर्न हो गया 0. ठीक है. तो रिटर्न कहाँ पे होगा, जहाँ पे फंक्शन कॉल होगा. कहाँ पे फंक्शन कॉल हुआ है, मेन फंक्शन में फंक्शन कॉल हुआ है. This is the main function. Here given scanner class, and this is your enter two number. Enter a number, that is a. A is the number you have entered. Now this is the object creation. This is known as object creation. You have to create an object. This is your object creation. What is the syntax for object creation? Class name, object name equal to new class name. So object is created here. Now you can call the function through object. Here this is void main, static void main. This is a static function. So you have to call the function through object. You cannot call direct by giving the name only. So this is your ob.check a is the function call. This is your function call. Write comments also. Okay. Then this is your int p, means the return 1, return 0. This 1 and 0 value, 1 or 0, only one returns. Okay, either 1 or 0. 1 or 0 value will return, and it will be stored in the variable p. Okay, so this is 1 or 0 will be stored in the variable p. Now if p equal to 1, अगर 1 रिटर्न होके आया है तो वो प्राइम है. इफ p equal to 1, then print prime, otherwise print not prime. Okay, so this is the program. This is the main method. In main method you have to enter a number and creation of object. Through object call the function. If it returns 1, then print prime, otherwise print not prime. And this is the function to check the, this is the function, this is the function to check for prime. So this is the separate function to check for prime. This will check for prime. If it is prime, then return 1, otherwise return 0. If this is 1, then print prime, otherwise print not prime. So this is the program. Have you done like this? Okay, clear?